This is Anil Shikara. As you know, most of you know me, and most of you know me. And today I'm here to not introduce you really. This guy doesn't actually need an introduction, but he's come in as a very different avatar now. I first started working with him when I was running Jarvis, and I needed a expert in Bombay to do, the work for us from a startup, investors, and all that. And that's when I started working with Satish Kataria. And somehow it kind of became a friendship. So I'm happy today to talk to you about this book. I hope everybody can see it. The book is called Unblock 21 Plus Transformational Thoughts, Unblock Your Success and Build Your Own Paths. Satish Kataria, India's leading entrepreneur coach. And you guys need to trust me that this guy, other guy you see on video, he is actually the same guy. But looks like he was much better dressed and shaved and all that. और ये मेरे ख्याल से लॉकडाउन का असर है कि हमारे ऑथर साहब आज ऐसे लग रहे हैं. एनीवे, इसमें कुछ बोनस भी है यार. कुछ विजय शेखर शर्मा ने बोला है, ज्ञान दिया है, अनुराग बत्रा ने ज्ञान दिया है, और कुछ और बंदे हैं. और अपना अपूर्व, डॉक्टर अपूर्व शर्मा, वेंचर कैटलिस्ट का, VCATS, he is the guy who written the forward. So I'll just quickly, kind of introduce the book. And I'll just read what it is written here. Entrepreneurship is 1% money and 99% mindset. Mindset, attitude, whatever you call it. Blending together 2 decades of Satish Kataria's entrepreneurial experience. मेरी English हरियाणा से हूँ, इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Entrepreneurial experience with sharp insights from some of India's most inspiring business leaders and path breakers. This book would take you through more than 21 transformational thoughts to equip you to rightly set up your journey to success. And today I thought, I will have a kind of conversational chat with Satish and talk about this. तो यार सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ, और एंड सतीश आई होप यूर ओके, हिंदी इंग्लिश हम इसी में बात करेंगे, ठीक है ना? क्योंकि मैं ये मानता हूँ कि यार इसका नेक्स्ट लॉजिकल स्टेप, सतीश, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, इज टू convert this into Indian languages. Because trust me, 99%, see, I come from an entrepreneur field where people need help. The people who need help are not in Bombay where you are sitting, or Bangalore where I am sitting, or Delhi and all that. These are in, Nanded, these are in Guwahati, or these are in Manipur, or things like that. And these guys, actually, in today's world, nobody cares about English. So my personal request, please translate it to Hindi, Bengali, and others. Are you planning to do that?
Yes, Hindi for sure, and बाकी languages will take that.
Because I would like to be this book to be as famous as Kapil Dev's Rapidex Da Jawab Nahi. I don't know whether you remember that. Rapidex English speaking course, और वो सारा सब languages में translate हुआ. And frankly, I didn't go to the whole book, but I kind of went through a couple of them. And I personally feel that, yes, this deserves to be, not just translated into multiple languages, but I would say, why not do a podcast on that? And each of these transformational thoughts, I think you should explain that, maybe invite somebody, talk about that. Because I think, where are we today? So guys, this is Satish Kataria. I have introduced the book, and so today I wanted to talk to this. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मेरे को बात करने की भी बहुत आदत है, तो सतीश को वेट करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. No issues. Yeah, we are in a world which we have never been before. We have been in a lockdown, and I personally think this is a period. If I really talk about the Indian mythology, ये मंथन हो रहा है. ये मंथन हो रहा है पूरे संसार का, ना जस्ट इंडिया का. और मंथन ऐसा हो रहा है, वो कहते हैं ना 2020 विजन. तो आई थिंक हमें वो 2020 विजन आ रहा है कि यार बुलशिट जो चल रही थी वो साफ हो गई है. जो वैल्यूएशन की कहानी और जो वो चल रहे थे वो सब खत्म हो गए. एंड पीपल आर बैक टू बेसिक्स, विच मीन्स दैट बॉस, if I work, I will earn, and the first thing for me is not that holiday or whatever, is to save, be safe, yet continue to do whatever I need to do, both professionally and personally and all that. So these have been very challenging times. And I think all assumptions and everything has been totally reset. If you look at the corporate world, I read a survey where people were asked that, would you like to go back to the exact same Monday to Friday 9 to 5 routine? And only 7% people said we would like go back to exactly the same. And obviously majority wanted a mix of this. So it's changed forever. People are waiting for it to come back to normal. But I think we are living in the normal. This is normal, and because of this whole month-end and all, see how different industries are getting disrupted, travel, tourism, hospitality. And the biggest thing is movies, this whole Sushant murder, and then you are sitting in the eye of the storm. So imagine the police, I don't say industry, but that will change, the judiciary change. The biggest change is in the media. Suddenly, Indian media has discovered investigative journalism, which they never had time to, because they were always in so hurry that they never had time to go deep. But I think this lockdown has taught everybody that you have to stop, you have to pause, you have to think, you have to reinvent yourself for this new reality. And I think when I first got this book, and actually he sent me the book, and he never, actually I didn't even know that you were writing this, and he never discussed it. But when it came, the first thought that came is that the whole world is fucking stuck. And here's a guy who says, I can unstuck you. So I think, I don't know whether you planned it or not, but I think from a positioning, marketing, launch time, I think it's perfect. So यार ये बताओ, ये कीड़ा कहाँ से आया? मतलब, why this book? मतलब, what happened in the last, say, 6 months, 9 months that led to this book?
अनिल, जैसा कि आपने कहा कि वो लॉकडाउन के फेज पे सब कुछ रुक गया था, right? Everything just literally stopped, and and that was the time, when you were forced to think, when you are being forced to understand कि यार मतलब अब क्या करें, मतलब how do I kind of go forward, what should be the next step, because क्या होता है कि अभी तक आप you were literally being pushed by a momentum. You were doing certain activities कि हाँ इस तरह से फंड कर रहा है, इस तरह से एक आपका वेंचर बढ़ रहा है, but everything just literally stopped, and this was the time, which kind of question an entrepreneur to now, think deep, वो मतलब जो कहते हैं ना कि वो वक्त आ गया कि आपकी जो असली स्ट्रेंथ है, आपका जो असली अंदर की आपकी सोच है, आपकी ताकत है, क्या मैं उसको बाहर निकाल सकता हूँ? Because now this was the time when people were actually challenged, when things were not easy to achieve. And on the other hand, it was also the time which was kind of given to us as a blessing in disguise to introspect, to understand, okay, what can I do more, and so what was happening was, suddenly, traffic jam khatam ho gaya, suddenly you have certain more hours in your daily lifestyle, and I
it's
thought,
like that बॉम्बे में बोलते हैं ना थांबा हो गया.
तो वो सब थम गया.
थांबा मतलब दिमाग का भी थांबा, not just physically थांबा, your thoughts, your everything थांबा, think.
Correct. So that's what I was thought here. अभी इस टाइम को how can I utilize properly, can I, मतलब मेरे अंदर जो उधेलपुन चल रही है, मेरे अंदर the kind of challenges I am internally facing, and मैंने अभी तक अपनी whatever I have learned from my 20 years of my entrepreneurial journey, can I, and it has been a very long cherished dream to start writing, because I have always been a very avid reader, but लिखने का कभी टाइम ही नहीं मिला, कभी सोचे नहीं कि लिख पाऊंगा, to get down and devote some time to write down things what you feel, So what was happening was, I thought that, okay, why don't I just use this time to simply jot down things, to simply start, seeing that, okay, मुझे क्या क्या effect करता है, या एक specific situation में मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, what was that one single thought which helped me out. You know,
What
and
is
I
was
mean, you
it?
know what?
Was it kind of a journal that you started keeping, and was it like paper-based thing, or was it digital? I know
So,
I want to see how people do it.
so indeed, so it was obviously digital, and indeed, one of the first lessons, I mean, जब मैंने लिखना शुरू किया था, तो मेरे
हाँ,
दिमाग में अनब्लॉक या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को लेके कुछ नहीं था. It's just what
कुछ नहीं था.
generally
अच्छा
like,
अच्छा.
you know.
हाँ.
And indeed, one of the first lessons, the first paragraph that I wrote was about spirituality.
Can you read
You know,
that
it was,
paragraph?
yeah, I will. I mean, I will read from my book. Just hold on. Yes. So this was the first lines which I wrote.
Uh-huh.
What is spirituality? Is it a final journey? Is it a differentiated way of living your life? Is it an abandonment from wanting luxuries of life? देखो वही हो रहा था. You know what was happening?
हाँ.
You know your luxuries were going away. You know you were आपके घर में मेड आनी बंद हो गई. You know things
हाँ.
started becoming difficult. You were not even getting your groceries. You know, and then was the thought that boss, what is critical to you? You know
See, I
what was
think
all happening
we
was
had,
luxury.
if you look at this luxury word versus what I really need, there was a lot of shit
Exactly.
that we had put in the bucket, which is like, I really need this. I cannot
Right.
do without this, which was a
Right.
maid, a driver, a Uber, whatever, you know. I think
Right.
this time,
Right.
okay, go ahead. I get you what you're saying.
Yeah. So I think so. So I just kind of started with that, because I was also kind of spending some time to learn meditation, to kind of, because आप काफी stress में थे, आप काफी tension में थे कि अभी क्या होगा,
Yeah.
So I was using that time to cool down, and then I was also amazed at the fact that a lot of people, especially in the millennials, they don't understand spirituality. They think that spirituality is कि यार आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि किसी गुरु को फॉलो करो, किसी भगवान की पूजा करो, but वो spirituality नहीं होती.
बिल्कुल.
Spirituality is a journey of within. There
It's
is no
like
definition.
being comfortable yourself, being joyful, or as Sadhguru says,
Exactly.
blissful.
Correct.
Because you can't control what the shit is going to hit you. Like COVID has shown that. We said, यार,
Correct.
my parents live in Delhi, I live in Bangalore. क्या टेंशन है यार? एक फ्लाइट लेके जब जरूरत होगी चले जाएंगे. And now suddenly that has kind of gone. So
Correct.
I get what you're saying. Yeah, go ahead, please.
मतलब हमारे लिए कितना आसान होता था कि यार हमको दिल्ली जाना है तो चलो एक फ्लाइट की टिकट की और चल पड़े.
We took
अभी
a
वो
lot of
फ्लाइट की
things for
टिकट.
granted.
Exactly. So that is what was happening. So and then, once I started with spirituality, I connected that with mindfulness. Because spirituality is all about mindfulness. You have to become more aware of what's happening. Because otherwise, it all becomes very tense. Even a moment of tense, you have to become mindful to be able to let it pass. Otherwise, it will just get sick with you.
Yeah.
So that's why I thought कि अगर मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ, तो maybe मैं बाकी चीजें भी लिख सकता हूँ. Then that's what gave me the inspiration कि यार let me start writing more. Let me start about trust. Let me start writing about attitude. Let me start writing about possibilities. Let me start talking about why do we fear something and how can we remove that fear. And I think that's how the kind of building blocks came together. And I kind of made it a practice कि यार अपना सुबह रोज 1 घंटा उठ के I will write.
Nice.
So that's the kind of discipline which I thought I will follow. Otherwise, ये book नहीं हो पाता कभी. So I
ये
thought कि I
लॉकडाउन
will
नहीं होती
take
तो
that.
शायद बुक नहीं होती यार. बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर तेरे दिमाग में काफी दिन से चल रहा था. हमने एक बार भी बात भी की थी यार, जब मैं भी सोच रहा था ये बुक लिखने की और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Hello.
And then I think this was only possible because of this lockdown. Yeah. So it's well, okay. Do you think this is a? I think lockdown is a blessing in disguise. I'm with all the obviously यार, जिसकी किसी की जान जाती है, फैमिली होती है, सब होता है. I'm not belittling that. But I'm saying is यार, 1 साल के झटके से ह्यूमैनिटी की लाइफ अगर ठीक हो जाए,
Right.
so what's wrong with that? And I think
Right.
that these times have shown us कि यार, gone are the days when you could, see, I believe that there are a million ways of earning money, million ways of spending money and all that. But do you do it, I will say, with being mindful or being conscious or being responsible or being whatever? So if I have to say in one sentence, it's like, can I say 21 different ways of looking at life in a positive way?
Exactly.
You know?
Absolutely.
Whereas if I had
Absolutely.
written the book, I would have said my fuck ups and what I learned from that.
Right.
तो cool. तो यार एक और चल मतलब वो कहते हैं ना वो MBA स्टाइल. What are the 3 key takeaways type? You know? क्या मतलब अगर
Right.
निचोड़ा जाए इसमें क्या 3 चीज बता इसमें क्या है?
Right. So मैं सबको कहना चाहता था कि
हाँ,
everyone can be successful. You know, success is not a birthright of only some people. You know, अगर हर कोई सोचे, अगर हर एंटरप्रेन्योर उस बेसिक एटीट्यूडनल हैक्स को समझ जाए, उस साइकोलॉजी को समझ जाए कि क्या होता है, तो आपको एक फेलियर और एक सक्सेस के बीच का जो रास्ता है वो कैसे कवर कर सकते हैं. सो अगेन the reason I put that line that entrepreneurship is 1% money and 99% mindset because यही सच है सर.
बिल्कुल.
आज की डेट में पैसा is not an issue. You can easily get funding, you can get money, but if your mindset is not right, you will never be able to execute it the way it has to be done,
Yeah.
right? And I think so. I think that is what then eventually became my purpose to write this book. That can I, whatever I have learned over last 20 years in terms of different psychological factors, in terms of different mental mental issues, which has actually entrepreneurship is a very very tough journey. आप हर रोज खुश होते हो, आप हर रोज रोते हो. आपको पता नहीं होता कि आप एक घंटे में खुश हो जाओगे, एक घंटे में एकदम नीचे चले जाओगे. So it's a very very tough journey, and I think that needs a certain kind of mindset to be able to stick on that path. So I think that's what I have tried to do. That success is not limited to few. अगर आप लोग एक सही सोच विचार रखते हैं, आप लोग एक सही माइंडसेट बना लेते हैं, तो you can also be successful like any one of us, right? So that is one thing. The second thing was, I also have tried to include a lot of real life examples and learnings, and that was the reason that I reached out to people like Vijay Shekhar Sharma from Paytm, because वो भी एक काफी humble background से आए हैं. He was also not a born rich guy with a silver spoon. He was from a very small village, a small town, and how he kind of started the whole revolution.
मतलब वो जेब में यार 10 रुपए थे कि खाना खाऊं या बस पकड़ूं कश्मीरी गेट तक. Yeah, I've heard that. Yeah.
तो वहां से लेके आज तक की जर्नी उन्होंने तो they were, and believe me, I mean जब मैं उनको मेल लिख रहा था, I was worried कि वो मेरे को जवाब देंगे, the kind of stature he has. Believe me, from all other people, he was the first one who wrote back to me in half an hour. मतलब मैंने सुबह 7:15 बजे को मेल किया था, 7:45 बजे मुझे रिप्लाई आ गया था.
यार देखो, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर ना, मतलब इट्स लाइक अ क्लीशेड कि छोटा शहर एंड ऑल दैट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट छोटा शहर बड़ा शहर. It's about the kind of family. Like I came from a typical middle class family. My dad left his village and went and joined Air Force, not as an officer, at a lower level. Then he was in a bank, and so we came from that perspective. And I totally get you, because I hate it when people put up this Steve Jobs का photo, Elon Musk ये कर रहा है. मैं कहा यार, can you even realize how far removed are these guys from the reality in India? चलो 10 साल पहले, 20 साल पहले साले हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर हीरो नहीं थे जिन्होंने ये सब कुछ नहीं किया था, तो चलो बनती थी. आज भी यार ये वो जो टिपिकल होता ना, स्टीव जॉब्स, लाइक व्हाई? Look at Zoho, look at Freshworks, look at Paytm, look at Flipkart. They are the fucking heroes, Or look at this guy who just sold his company to Bejus. What was that? Some coding jobs करते हैं,
Yeah, White Hat Union.
No, I get your point.
So
No, I think that makes a lot of difference when people hear it from people who have done it, and that's what I tell. मतलब हमारी कितनी बार बात हुई थी, the so-called mentors coming out, and unless you walk the talk yourself, it's a theoretical ज्ञान, है ना?
Correct.
So I totally
So,
get it. Why he would have said कि हाँ यार ये book सही है, because it was not just a book. He kind of got it because he's from that
right,
background, you know.
right, right. So
Got it.
I think he was able to immediately understand कि ये book कैसी होगी.
हाँ,
You know, and look at his humility. He had no grounds कि मुझे नहीं share करना. He was very open to share his experiences. You know, so that was a very I think a big validation and an encouragement for me also personally to include him in this book. So that was the second point, and I think the third point is you know, I have again tried to present a whole gamut of various psychological factors. You know, जिसको आज एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को सोचना चाहिए. You know, चाहे वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी हो, चाहे वो एटीट्यूड हो, चाहे वो कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग की बात हो, you know, चाहे वो ये एक सिंपल से बात हो कि मुझे कहाँ हाँ बोलना है, कहाँ ना बोलना है. You know.
And I think, you know, you are constricting it by saying entrepreneur, because when I read this, you know, the things that you have said, they will help anybody in their personal life also. They will help everybody build very mutually beneficial relationships, whether it's with their siblings or whether they're friends or even business associates or customers. So I think all that is not just entrepreneurs, it's everyday people, right?
Right.
Because this stuff is what they don't teach us in colleges and schools.
Right.
Only the life university में सीखना पड़ता है. तो आपने धक्के खाए, मैंने धक्के खाए, हम कह रहे हैं भैया हमने कुछ सीखे तो कुछ देख लो यार.
Right.
तो यार ये बता, you know, I get these 3 points. I will take 3 different kind of, you know, personas. One is a working woman. Imagine a woman who's working in the IT industry in one of these big companies, Accenture, IBM, good salary, you know. And earlier she used to go to office, there was a maid, there was a driver, there was this thing, all that, and everything was being managed. And now suddenly they are blocked. The husband is also working, he's working, and then she has 2 kids or whatever. Kids के school बंद है, the whole day drama and all that. And here's this working woman who, after years of struggle, kind of struck a balance between, you know, the me as a wife and me as a working woman. You know what I mean? And here comes COVID and says, बाल्टी में डालो, हिलाओ, उल्टा करो, ये है अब तुम्हारा. You know what I mean?
Correct.
And we had jokes where husbands make one dish and use 20 dishes because that one dish he wants to put it on Facebook or in WhatsApp group for his mother to see what food he has made, and the women are saying, yaar, uske piche kaun sambhalega? You know, huge stress coming up.
Right.
How does it help a working woman, the way I described to you?
So I think again for a working woman again, you know, it's अभी क्या हुआ इस फेज में, because as you explained that उसका पूरा, you know, the whole lifestyle change, the whole day structure change. But if she can, for example, in the chapter where I have mentioned about you know, in keeping trust on yourself, you know, this is very important. हम normally क्या होता है कि whenever we face a challenge in our life, you know, we start losing trust in ourselves. You know, we start
हमसे ना हो पाएगा,
हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. You know, हमने ये नहीं कर पाएंगे.
खुद ही बोल दिया दुनिया से पहले.
So I think that if you read that chapter, if you read about those things, that you know, you have to keep trust in yourself. You have reached to a stage, you have worked towards it, you know, and you have achieved that, whatever you have achieved success on your own merits. You know, अगर अभी ये चैलेंज है, इस चैलेंज की एक स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट है, अगर आपने अपने ऑफिस लाइफ में भी चैलेंजेस एक्सेप्ट किए हैं, तो why don't you accept this challenge also? You know, look at that challenge. This is, again, nothing is permanent. You know, even this situation will move off. You know, you will be put into a new testing ground maybe 3 months down the line. But if you can keep your trust to yourself, if you can keep trusting your abilities, चाहे वो घर के काम के लिए हो, चाहे वो ऑफिस के काम के लिए हो, I think अगर वो, again, so that is one chapter that we can focus on, and again a combination of all other chapters. I think it will help her to restore her self-confidence. So that will be very, very important in this case.
Cool, cool. Uh, Entrepreneur, I think we talked about, right? How, or would you like to add that? And I would like you to focus on not the entrepreneurs like you and me who are sitting in large cities, but entrepreneurs who are sitting in very small cities, do not have access, and but fortunately everything has gone online, and now suddenly they are at par with anybody out there.
Right.
But there's a
Right.
whole change world and all that, entrepreneurs. And this whole trying time, change and all that, how do you think that will help the entrepreneurs?
So yeah, I think there
Because
are
end
there
of
are
the day,
two
these are
specific.
blocks, right? Blocks could be
Right.
mental blocks, like the way you
Correct.
described that working woman, I can't do it. If you
Right.
really look at it, it's not like, do you have a test certificate that says you do not have the tensile strength to do it? No. Do you
Right.
have any proof? No. It's a mindset block. And the same way, blocks happen in real life. So I would say
Right.
this whole lockdown is a block. Now, whether I keep hitting my head against that block or I say, hey, है तो है भाई, हो गया. See, entrepreneur
Correct.
में things shit happens. What do?
Correct.
You say, oh, क्या करें? Like water, a block आ गया तो you have to find a different way. Maybe find a different way or something like that, you know. So all these, I also
So
kind of
यहाँ
get
पे
it that
I
all these
I
are
would like to
blocks.
correct.
Whether
Correct.
they are business
So
plan blocks, whether they're mental blocks, whether they are networking blocks, or the way networking used to happen, you could go into events, now you can't, things like that. So how would you help
right.
these tier 2, tier 3 entrepreneurs?
So again, I think I would like to point out to two specific things. One
Uh,
is, I think one of the most important questions that any entrepreneur, चाहे वो एक tier one से हो, चाहे वो tier two से हो, they should not forget the why. कि
hmm,
उन्होंने ये क्यों किया था? You know, why did they even enter that space in the first instance? Why did they decide to take that step and decide to dedicate productive years of their life for doing that one particular venture? वो उन्होंने क्यों किया था? अगर वो उस क्वेश्चन को याद रखें, देन आई थिंक वो अपने रास्ते से डगमगाएंगे नहीं. जैसे आपने बोला कि रास्ता अलग हो सकता है. Your way will change. The way you will do your business will change, right? The business can pivot, but your why still remains the same. कि मैंने एक स्पेसिफिक कस्टमर पेन पॉइंट के लिए ये बिजनेस शुरू किया था, राइट? आज की डेट में अगर वो रास्ता नहीं चलता है या वो पेन पॉइंट बदल गया है, लेकिन मुझे अभी भी उसी कस्टमर की पेन पॉइंट को सॉल्व करना है. So if I can remember my original vision, if I can remember my original answer to that why, मैं रास्ता ढूंढ लूंगा. मुझे
so
अपने आप
basically
में
what you are
कॉन्फिडेंस आ
saying is
जाएगा.
कि यार, if I remember my why, if I
Yes,
remember the assumptions I did and not get confused by the daily fires that are burning or situations or things like that, look back, remember your why, and say, okay,
yeah,
that is more important, not the path. So earlier
right,
maybe I had thought कि यार मैं कैफेज के साथ टाइप कर लूंगा, अब कैफेज ही बंद हो
right,
गए, तो मे बी मेरे को कुछ
right,
और करना चाहिए एंड ऑल दैट.
right,
और
right,
जो assumptions की थी मैंने, are they still valid? Do I
right,
need to change my model a bit or something like that?
right.
Okay, I
And I
get
think,
that.
the second thing is, what I also call as the possibility myopia.
Hmm.
हम लोग कई बार अपने ही थॉट्स के साथ लिमिट हो जाते हैं. We ourselves put limitations in our mind.
Hmm.
हम लोग and then we start focusing more on excuses than on ways to do the thing. If we can build a list of excuse की आज की डेट में अगर मैं जैसे आपने मुझे बोला कि मैं कैसे से टाइप नहीं कर पा रहा, क्या मैं ऑनलाइन टाइप कर सकता हूँ? यार ऑनलाइन टाइप कौन करेगा, कौन मार्केट ढूंढेगा, कौन
हाँ,
प्लेटफॉर्म ढूंढेगा? ये मेरा एक्सक्यूज है, ये
बिल्कुल.
बहाना है,
डंजो
ये
है,
बहाना है.
डंजो की साइट पे तो मेरे को बंदे का नाम नहीं मिला, कैसे जाऊंगा मैं?
करेक्ट.
आई कांट
तो
ट्रैवल.
अगर राइट, so अगर हम एक जर्नल बना लें, if we can make our excuse journal, and if we can write our excuses and then write the way to move around that excuses, understanding that हमारी strength क्या है, what is it that we have, and then we can start countering those excuses one by one, we can achieve what we want to achieve. तो वो काफी जरूरी है. I think that is what will really help us to keep moving ahead and not just get stuck and get blocked by something.
Got it, got it. यार एक मैं थोड़ा सा रैंडम पूछूंगा. One thing that I have been watching and my interest is looking at what's happening now and trying to see the macro changes that are happening and try to see कि यार इसका impact 10 साल 20 साल बाद क्या होगा.
Correct.
And there's this huge change going on. And how, देखो, our community and the way we live in community has changed forever.
Right.
In big cities, I'm sure earlier people didn't even know who lives next door. But with all these things are changing basically. And well, we can't escape this fact that Sushant ka ho raha hai aur ye sab ho raha hai and all that. We are seeing how the media is changing.
Right.
And how social media, because I remember last year I used to have, this बहस कि सब कहते थे यार सोशल मीडिया तो गंद है, टिकटॉक तो गंद है, फेसबुक गंद है, ये क्यों बंद कर देनी चाहिए सारी सब. मैंने कहा यार it's like a knife. You can kill somebody with a knife and you can do an operation also. It just depends on you. And today, in the last since Sushant has happened, you have seen that what kind of voices have come up on social media. The whole public has forced this action to be taken.
Right.
You know what I mean? Which means that our public servants, the way they used to deal with citizens has to also change.
Right.
So some blocks that the public servant had, whether it's a police wala, whether it's this hospital guy, whether it's, security guy, whatever.
Right.
There was a certain blocks, assumptions, and now they have to change.
Right.
So I'm sure you have not thought of this target audience. Can this help Mumbai police and the media change, unblock assumptions, what they think is right, or this is the way things always have been done and will be done always? I don't know what. I know it's a random thing. You can say, "Yaar, I don't get into controversies." I do. So tell me.
No, again, I think one immediate thing that I can think of is is all about having a right attitude, right?
देखो एक तो attitude है, दूसरा क्या है ना, we had lost trust in media, really, last year.
Yeah.
We said सब बिक चुके हैं types,
Right.
Suddenly we are kind of regaining that,
Right.
Is it a matter of, again, trust, credibility, dealing with people, the attitude of dealing, the way you interact, or we are holier than thou, doesn't work now?
So I think one more thing which is very closely related to attitude and which I have again mentioned in the book is you have to always try to be authentic. Right. If you're authentic to the people to whom you're answerable, you will never judge the situation and you will always try to find the right way. As to date, if media has or if police has not been able to represent things in a right way, maybe they were not authentic. They were not authentic to their cause. Otherwise, if they would have been authentic to their cause, maybe they would have tried to be a little bit more explorative. They just
another thing is because there was suddenly we lost trust in authority. I am shocked when I see these videos which are being followed by millions or thousands or whatever lakhs on YouTube. And these are kids who have no qualification whatsoever. They have no journalism background. They are not even accredited journalism. And they are saying all kind of wild things with everything and all that. And people are flocking to them more. How did this happen? That we have trust in this kid who's nobody has seen before, no credentials, suddenly comes on YouTube and starts saying, "Ye tweet dekho, iska ye hai, iski ye sajish hai, conspiracy hai." I think there's a whole trust deficit, right? And authenticity, as you said.
Right.
And that is something that has to be rebuilt, right?
Exactly.
So can I, from my cost, send one to apna police commissioner, Bombay Police?
We should. Yes, you
Let's
should
do that.
definitely we will. Let's do that.
Okay, so that was my tangent thing. ठीक है, go away with
Sure.
that. तो यार थोड़ा पर्सनल होते हैं,
Hmm.
और तेरे आसपास कोई जो है जो पर्सनल तेरी बातों से बोलो तो भेज दे अपने पास. And I want you to truly tell me, obviously if it's too embarrassing, don't. But entrepreneur के लिए यार कुछ embarrassing है. मैं रेलवे स्टेशन पे सोया हूँ, मैंने ऐसे ऐसे काम किए हैं, मतलब एज entrepreneur करने पड़ते हैं यार जब टाइम आता है तो. What was your biggest block moment which really messed you up, and how did you unblock it?
So I think this will. I mean, obviously there are a lot of unblocks and blocks that we face every day, right? That we risk.
But ये लाइफ चेंजिंग होते हैं ना, कुछ तो लाइफ चेंजिंग होते हैं, वो पाथ चेंज हो जाता है लाइफ का उसका.
So I think if I recall one of them, I still remember that this was the time when we had just launched Catapult, right?
Oh, that
the
crowdfunding
platform.
site, yeah, okay.
Yeah, the crowdfunding platform, and so it was me and my co-founder who were together, so we were all very enthusiastic about launching it, right? And we even started approaching investors, for fundraising for the platform itself, right? Just at the moment, when the investors are about to say yes, this co-founder, he decides to drop the towel. वो घबरा गया, यार ये चलेगा ये नहीं चलेगा, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे अपनी शादी करनी है,
हमसे ना हो पाएगा मोमेंट.
हाँ, हमसे ना हो पाएगा वो.
यार पैसे दे दे तो जिम्मेदारी हो जाएगी. ओ फक, दैट शादी से पहले जिटर्स टाइप होता है ना, शादी से पहले जिटर्स.
तो वो कि मुझे मेरी फैमिली कह रही है कि मुझे अपना काम करना चाहिए, मुझे इसमें नहीं घुसना चाहिए. बॉस आई सेड कि बॉस हम दो को फाउंडर्स हैं, कल को मैं इन्वेस्टर को क्या बोलूंगा कि आपको जब इन्वेस्टिंग होने वाली है, कल को उससे टर्म शीट साइन करनी है और आज की डेट में भाग गए. I mean, look at the kind of trust issue I will have with my investors. And
I know.
And that actually happened. So my investors called me the other day कि बॉस क्या हुआ. और मैंने अभी तक उनको बताया भी नहीं था, because I thought कि let me try to
कुछ हो जाएगा वर्कआउट.
And this guy, he started applying for jobs left, right, and center. And my investors came to know कि यार ये तो बंदा जॉब अप्लाई कर रहा है, आप बोल रहे हैं आपकी कंपनी चलाएगा, तो क्या होगा? So वो like 8%.
So this is block in your business, block in your investment, block in your investor relations.
Exactly. And
block in your family, I'm sure. Wife was saying, ये क्या हो रहा है ड्रामा? तू बड़े दिन से बोल रहा था आएगी, अब आ रही है तो अब ये क्या ड्रामा,
I know, you're right. I literally remember crying in front of my investors, crying in front of my wife in the night. That night I just spent in tears because I thought कि यार जो मैंने एक सपना बनाया था, it's just about to going to crash. All the work that we have done for last 6-8 months to build it and bring it to this level, it's not easy to get commitment from investors. You have to go meet them.
We've all been through that shit.
You have to meet them multiple times. You have to convince them on each and every point. ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा. And finally, when they say क्या यार चलते हैं, and then you see the founder is चला गया. So
how did you? I know. How did you unblock it?
So again, I think how did I unblock was, I think I only
unblock yourself. I'm sure you were in a space like, what the fuck? What do I do now?
Yeah.
It was kind of unblocking self.
Yeah. So I think the only thing which I kept with me was the trust in myself. I think that was the only one pivot which I hang on to. कि यार ये मेरा trust है, मैंने किया हुआ है ये काम, and I have my passion in that space, और मैं करूँगा. I will still continue to do it no matter what happens now.
आज नहीं होगा तो कल हो जाएगा यार.
Correct. And I think it was with that trust that I, with my trembling hands, called my investors कि सर अब ये हो गया है, मुझे तो करना है, आप बोलो अभी क्या करना है, आप बताओ मैं क्या करूँ, And believe it or not, I think when you really deeply trust yourself to that level, magic happens. Something happens.
they can see it in the eyes. They can
Exactly.
see. मतलब when people talk to me ऐसे या seriously, मतलब people say तेरे को कैसे पता चला? You can't, you
Yeah,
know.
you can't. And I think that was the time when you really are at your most vulnerable self. You are at your most genuine self. कि यार ये बंदा इतना vulnerable है. He is almost literally saying that boss मैं अभी situation में हूँ. And they can literally see my passion. They understood the situation क्या है. That it is not this guy's fault. It is other guy's fault who was not able to stick to the guns. And believe it or not, within 2 days, all my investors were back at helping me out. Despite the fact that I was the only single founder of my company now, but they were back, and I think for me it really left a very very deep impression, because getting that investors back into your fold, and I think from that point onwards, I had a very very deep respect to all those guys, to all those investors that boss they understood me. वो कहते हैं ना कि investors are virtuals, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
ऐसा कुछ नहीं यार. I took $4 million from Network 18 and Saravir Singh, who's now I think he's heading some other venture firm. We are great friends यार. We sat with CEO of ना ये होता था क्या नाम था इसका Network 18 का CEO को भूल गया चला गया. Anyway, but see investors, there are some investors. There's this famous lady out of Bangalore, which I will not name, you know whom I'm talking to. So there are people like that. But coming back to this situation, when you were describing me, I said, what would a typical entrepreneur have done? And out of 10 entrepreneurs, I think 7 would have just kept quiet.
Right.
No, maybe 5 would have kept quiet, 3 would have faked it.
Right.
उसको बोलते अपने को फाउंडर को कि भाई तू चुप बैठ जा यार, 1 महीने के लिए मैं तेरे को एक सैलरी मैं दे दूंगा, मेरी पैसे आ जाए बैंक में, उसके बाद चला जाइए.
Sir, indeed, one of the investors told me that.
3 बंदे ऐसे करेंगे. हाँ. और 1-2 भाग जाएंगे. आई थिंक 10 में से मुश्किल से 1 होगा, कहेगा यार सर फटी हुई है, हो गया, क्या करें बताओ आप, मैं तो करने को तैयार हूँ.
But I think again that authenticity helped me out. Because I was very authentic. I was true to myself. I said, because the situation hai, this is how it is. Now it is your wish that you want to come and back me up, or I will anyway do it my own way, right? And I think that really kind of added that trust factor, and they also decided to, back me up. So I think that was one situation which overnight, in a span of 2 days, changed a lot.
मतलब ऊपर नीचे धड़ाधड़ सब हो गई 48 घंटे में.
So that was an experience I will never forget. I mean, that was one learning which entrepreneurship gave me.
And then I know, then it went on to get acquired. Catapult got acquired, and and then you were on to your other stuff. So great, yaar. So repeating again, my one request is please translate it into Hindi as soon as possible, and I would love to do a Hindi pure review with you when the Hindi books comes. Because I think Bharat needs it. India needs Unplug. Bharat needs Hindi. Hindi में क्या नाम रखेगा? अटका हुआ. अटक गया. कैसे निकले? दूसरा, give it a shot. Podcasts are becoming very popular. I would love. There are 21 episodes of your podcast here, right here. Take one example, show it, invite somebody. Ask them to share their story on that. That's it. And I can see it. You are good at this now. And so that's it, guys. So last moment, Satish, do your sales plug.
Sure.
Where can we buy this book? कुछ डील दे दो यार. जो बंदे देख रहे हैं उनको कुछ तो करो.
Sure. So I think all of you can go on my website, which is
Hold up the book. Hold up the book.
So yeah,
yes.
So all of you can go to this website called buildyourownpath.com, right? And you can also buy it on Amazon and all the other online platforms. And I'm also allowing you on, if you go on the website, which is buildyourownpath.com, buildyourownpaths.com.
What we
you know,
will do
that
is
is
we will
where,
put the text on the video later on, and
sure,
we'll
sure.
put it in the comments
And
also.
and
And
you can use a special code which is called as Bolt, BOLT 20.
oh,
You
blue
know, thanks
bolt,
to
kala bolt.
Blue Bolt the Bolt.
अरे
Right.
वाह,
So
ठीक है.
if you can put the code BOLT 20, you will also get 20% discount
Awesome, guys.
on the seat price.
Great.
Right. So yeah.
So, are you looking at some next book?
Yeah, I have kind of started thinking on some thoughts. So let's see how it goes.
First book is always tough, as they say, you know.
Yes, yes, yes.
But एक बार खून मुंह लग गए और मजा आने लगे तो है. Because it's like
Correct,
यार बुक में भी ना ट्रस्ट की बहुत बात होती है.
correct.
I have so many times started writing and I said नहीं यार मेरे बस की नहीं है, मेरे को पेशेंस नहीं है. I've left.
So that
Maybe I'll read this book and maybe it'll unblock me and I will write the next fucking book. ठीक है guys, thank you guys for watching.